Hi everyone, my name is Elpeni. I'm a lactation educator and a lactation counselor. So what you need to get ready is a cotton in the water, a place to put the used cotton, a towel, new diapers, a baby wash and lotion, new sodal if necessary, and the wet wipe. So what you need to do first, mommy, make sure that you get ready everything so that you don't need to go here and there to get all the baby item to make sure that the bathing will become more smoothly. Before you start open and unwrap your baby, make sure if you are in a aircon room, switch off the aircon and switch off the fan because the baby can easily getting cold when you expose the baby. So first step that you need to do is unswaddle the baby. Unclothe your baby. Wrap a towel on your baby. So what we're going to do now is to clean your baby face and your baby's eyes. What you need is a bowl with a water and a cotton. And a receiver to put all the used cotton afterwards. Okay, so what you need to do, to clean a baby's eyes, you need to remember, you need to do it from the inner part to the outer part of your baby's eyes. From inner to the outer part. Just use one and discard the cotton. If you think that you need more, you can just use another new piece of the cotton to clean the baby's eyes. Okay, so while you are cleaning the baby's eyes, you need to look for any discharge or any smell from the baby's eyes because it may indicate baby having some infection on the eyes. Okay, so remember, this is very important for you to see that on the baby's eyes. And do not bring from outer part to the inner part of the baby's eyes because you might bring all the germ into the baby's eyes that may leak into the infection later. Okay, so from the eyes, now we move into the forehead of your baby. So what you need to do, remember that you need to start from the middle part of the baby's forehead and then go behind the baby's ears. Okay, now we clean the baby's cheek. Backwards. And last, clean your baby's mouth. And not to forget to clean your baby under neck. Yeah. Okay, so now we finish with the cleaning of the baby's face. From the face, now we need to clean your baby's head. So what you need to do is you hold your baby in a football position so that you can handle the babies well. So what you need to do is you just support the shoulder of your baby, put your another hand on the baby's buttock, tuck your baby underneath your armpit. Okay, bring the baby closer to the tap. We need to clean the baby's head and straight away wipe the baby's head later because baby will lose most of the heat from the baby's head. So that's the reason why we need to wash, clean and dry it straight away before you put the baby straight into the water. Okay. So another tip that you need to remember, okay, when you are trying to clean the baby's head, you need to close the baby's ear. So what you need to do is you just use your thumb and index finger on the baby's ears and just close the hole on the baby's ear so that the water doesn't go in. So what you need to do is you tuck in, use your thumb and index finger on the baby's earlobe, you just close. Okay, so now what you need to do is you just take a water. Don't leave this hand off because you need to support the baby while you handle the baby under your armpit. So you just take a water and just clean the baby's head. Okay, you can just use any shampoo that you love, you prefer on your baby. Okay, and then you just rinse the baby's head afterwards. After you do this, like I mentioned before, you need to straight away dry and pat the baby's head dry. So what you need to do, just come back to the changing mat. Use the tip of the towel and just gently pat the baby's hair to make it dry. Okay, and another important thing that you need to do is keep talking to your baby. Make sure that the bathing becomes something that interesting to them, so that they get involved with the bathing session. Okay, you can sing a song, talk to your baby, okay, so that it will become less stressful for you and your baby too. Okay, now we need to open the baby diapers first before we put the babies in. So what you need to do, just fold the diapers off from the baby. If there's a poo there, you can straight away clean your baby poo. So what you need to do is you can just use a wet tissue. So remember, for a baby girl, you need to clean from the upper part to the backwards. Okay, you cannot bring it down. Okay, you just clean. Alright, okay. Remember, baby will lose head very fast. So you need to really make sure that whenever you expose your baby, you need to swaddle them back. Okay, so we need to swaddle this baby now with the towel before we bring the baby to the bathtub. Okay, so when you want to lift the babies up, you just need to make sure you support the baby shoulder. You just carry underneath the baby's buttock. Okay, and just bring the baby to the water. So you just need to make sure that you put the leg first in. Okay. Do not let go this hand on the baby shoulder. You can now free this hand. So what you can do is just cup of water and just gently clean your baby. You can even use a cloth, a small handkerchief, a cotton to just wipe the baby. So remember to clean underneath the baby's armpit, all the folded skin on your baby's hand, and the baby's leg. Okay, you can use a soap as well. So remember, when you use soap, you soap the whole body of your baby and the head will be the last part. Or else the baby will keep putting their hand into their mouth. Okay, so you soap the whole body. Hand is the last part you put the soap, and hands will be the first part that you wash and rinse later. Okay, so now you need to turn the baby to another side. So what you need to do is hold underneath your baby armpit. We call this as a sandwich transition of the baby to the other side of the bathtub. So what you need to do is you put your hand underneath of the bathtub, hold the baby firmly. So what you need to do now is just turn the baby down. Okay, you just need to make sure that you can see your baby's face. Okay, and now same. You just cup of water. Okay, clean your baby back. Okay, and now we are done. So we need to turn back the baby to another side. So what you need to do now, just use your hand, support the baby's back, and you just turn the baby. Okay, so we finish with the bathing. So same thing, when you want to bring out the baby from the tub, so what you need to do, support the back, your hand at the back of the baby's shoulder, hold the baby's buttocks and some of their tight, and bring the babies out from the water. And straight away, pat the baby dry. Okay? Okay, so what you need to do next is pat your babies dry. Okay? Don't forget about the under the armpit, on the baby's under neck, and all the folded skin of your baby. So now we need to get a new diapers and wear your baby a diapers. So for a new parents, the tip is you need to always make sure the one with a strap at the back of your baby's buttocks. Okay? So you can just lift out your baby's leg, or you can lift out, or either you put it side to side. Okay? Okay, just put it there and strap. And now your baby are ready to wear their new clothes. Okay, for a newborn baby with a belly button, you need to start cleaning the baby belly button now. Okay, now we just wear the baby's new clothes. Just put the baby cap. Remember, mommy, if possible, avoid using any powder for a newborn baby. If you wish to put anything to the baby, you can use a baby lotion rather than a baby powder. Okay, now after the bathing, we can start swaddle the baby so that you can continue with your feeding or your baby can sleep afterwards. Okay, thank you.